Let's review the first compliment I learned.
Okay, I remember it's you look great today.
Right, and in Chinese it's
你今天看上去真不错。
你今天看上去真不错。
你 means you.
你
今天 today.
今天
看上去 look like.
看上去
真不错 means great.
真不错。
你今天看上去真不错。
你今天看上去真不错。You look great today.
你今天看上去真不错。
谢谢。
Cam, do you remember how to say you have good taste in Chinese?
It used to be our question of the day, so let me see. It's 你有 something.
It's 你很有品味。
你很有品味。
你 means you.
你
很 very much.
很
有 means have.
有
Taste in Chinese is 品味。
品味。
你很有品味。
你很有品味。You have good taste.
你很有品味。
过奖。
Cam, I'm going to have a vacation soon.
Now it's my turn to say I envy you very much in Chinese. What is it again?
It's 我真羡慕你。
Can you say that again?
Sure. 我真羡慕你。
我真羡慕你。
我 means I.
我
真 very much.
真
羡慕 envy.
羡慕
你 means you.
你。
我真羡慕你。
我真羡慕你。I envy you very much.
我就要休假了。
是吗？我真羡慕你。
Yeah, Chinese kids are adorable.
Yes, they are.
How should I tell their parents?
You can say 你的孩子真可爱。
你的孩子真可爱。
你的 your
你的
孩子 kid
孩子
真 really
真
可爱 cute
可爱。
你的孩子真可爱。
你的孩子真可爱。Your kid is so adorable.
你的孩子真可爱。
谢谢。
Sentences in the week. You look great today. 你今天看上去真不错。You have good taste. 你很有品味。I envy you very much. 我真羡慕你。Your kid is so adorable. 你的孩子真可爱。All in today's Chinese studio.
Well, that wraps up this great week on Chinese Studio.
And don't forget our question of the day. How do you say your kid is so adorable in Chinese? 下周见。